Hey decor lovers! Welcome back to Decorants, your go-to for home vibes. Today we're diving into Easter Patio Decor Ideas perfect for spring. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip to make your patio pop. Pastel patio themes. Want your patio to feel like a magazine spread this Easter? A pastel theme isn't just cute. It's one of the top trending styles for spring, and it's easier to pull off than you think. This year's top pastels: think butter yellow, dusty mint, powder blue, and peach blush. These soft tones are dominating Pinterest boards and backyard mood boards. Layer your space with comfort. Mix pastel cushions with waffle throws or boucle blankets. These textures are cozy and in for 2025 outdoor styling, especially for transitional spring weather. Want that golden hour glow? Use solar string lights or pastel lanterns. Soft amber or rose gold LED bulbs give your patio that dreamy cafe look everyone's after. Create little zones: brunch corner, reading chair, maybe a pastel garden crate display. When your space tells a story, it becomes an experience, not just decor. Bunny-themed accents. Who says Easter bunnies are just for kids? These chic, whimsical bunny-themed accents are a 2025 patio trend making waves across Pinterest. Let's bring some adorable charm to your space, grown-up style. Add chic bunny figurines to your patio, whether in ceramic, wooden, or metallic finishes. These accents aren't just playful, they're a sophisticated way to incorporate Easter fun into your outdoor space. Throw in some bunny ear pillows or a plush throw in bunny shapes. These playful touches make your patio feel festive without going overboard. Subtle yet fun. Set the table with bunny-themed plates, napkin rings, and centerpieces. Whether it's subtle or bold, these accents set a festive tone for your outdoor gathering. DIY egg garland and centerpieces. Eggs aren't just for hunting. In 2025, they're stealing the show in patio decor, from elegant garlands to rustic chic centerpieces that feel straight out of a magazine. Start with a soft color palette. Neutral or pastel eggs work beautifully outdoors. String them on twine, jute, or eucalyptus garland. Drape them across fences, planters, or outdoor benches for instant charm. Create a centerpiece using a wood tray, faux moss, and painted eggs. Add in tiny bunny accents or votive candles to level it up. It's cozy, natural, and right on trend. Eco-friendly decor is trending big this Easter. Use biodegradable faux eggs, recycled paper grass, or even upcycled paper mache eggs painted by hand. Easter wreaths and door decor. Want your guests to smile before they even knock? This year's Easter wreaths are more than decor. They're statement pieces for your entire patio vibe. Pastels are still in, but now they're paired with bold textures. Think burlap bows, speckled eggs, and wooden name signs layered into circular grapevine wreaths. Bunny-shaped wreaths and door hangers are going viral. Add faux fur, gingham bows, or even a monogram tag to give it a boutique feel. Without boutique prices, layer it up. Combine buffalo plaid mats with Easter quotes or seasonal florals for an Instagram-worthy entry. Bonus, add mini planters on each side for symmetry. Table styling for Easter brunch. Easter brunch isn't just about the menu, it's the mood. And your patio table can be a full-on springtime celebration with just a few styling secrets. Start with layering. Mix pastel runners, floral napkins, and white or wooden chargers. This brings depth and texture without overwhelming your table. Skip the basics. Go bold with edible centerpieces like a fresh herb bunny garden, a basket filled with dyed eggs, or even tulips in mason jars with lemons. Add charm to each place setting with egg name tags, bunny ear napkin folds, or mini jars of pastel candies as take-home favors. Inflatable Easter lawn decorations. Want to go big for Easter without the DIY hassle? Inflatable lawn decorations are bold, festive, and make your patio or yard the talk of the neighborhood. Start with a classic, the Easter bunny. Choose a waving bunny, one holding a happy Easter sign, or even a group of bunnies sitting in a colorful egg cart. For a playful twist, add cracked egg inflatables with baby chicks popping out, or oversized pastel Easter eggs with glowing lights inside for evening sparkle. Combine multiple inflatables to create a themed yard scene. Surround your patio or walkway with inflatable egg trails, bunny families, or welcome arches. Budget-friendly Easter patio. Decor, Easter decorating doesn't have to drain your wallet. Let's talk about affordable ways to style your patio, because beautiful should never mean expensive. Hit your local dollar store for Easter napkins, plastic egg packs, paper garlands, and bunny cutouts. All under $10 and perfect for patio tables and walls. Use mason jars, teacups, or old baskets from around the house. Fill them with faux grass, painted eggs, or even real herbs for a rustic Easter vibe. Head outdoors, gather twigs, flowers, or pine cones to create your own wreath, table garland, or egg nests. Simple, sustainable, and totally charming. Final touches and bonus tips, from whimsical bunnies to charming DIY garlands and elegant brunch settings, your patio can truly become a joyful spring retreat this Easter. For magical evenings, add string lights or lanterns. They're simple, affordable, and bring your space to life after sunset. And don't forget to use what nature gives you. Fresh flowers, branches, or clippings add authentic seasonal beauty. If this inspired your Easter patio plan, hit like and subscribe for more seasonal magic every week. And tell us your favorite idea in the comments.